Hello, my beautiful people. You're welcome to yet another edition. Yeah, with Nicole Diamond Nikki. Oh my God. I am going forward every day. Please, to all my return subscribers, I want to tell you guys are amazing. I love you all. May God bless you abundantly in Jesus' name. And for those who are watching that have not subscribed and you're here for your first time, please don't hesitate to smash that red subscribe button down there and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified. You'll be the first to come and watch my sweet stories and my sweet analysis with social media influencers on YouTube, on Facebook, those celebrities in Cameroon, in and out of Cameroon. Yeah, we are here to talk about them. What are we doing? Okay. 2 days ago, after I don't post Grand Dive and Mama Atalaku their video out, some person can ask me, he say, who be these two people where you only talk about them? Where, Papa? For my first video there, if you don't watch my first video them, you go see, yes, say I talk, say Grand Travel Grand Dive, na YouTuber, travel, na I name that for YouTube, Travel with Grand Dive. Then you get Mama Atalaku, where na a social media influencer too. It be motivational speaker. These two people, why I talk about them? Now say they get a beef where it don't go on for the past 6 months, and I try for give my analysis on this beef. I try for talk my own mind. Wait till una think I beg, drop your comment for comment section. Wait till you think about their beef, because I am here to tell you what you think about this their beef. Okay. After after all this query don't happen between the both of them, any man the fight for own side, Mama Atalaku the throw own slants them, Grand Dive the catch am, throw own, go on live video, talk, follow up Mama Atalaku. In all, the beef still go on. I say, these two people them, wait till me I think and I say they no even just get beef. Now my own analysis be any man get own analysis. Now my own be this. Them no even just get beef. They not the fight. These two people not the fight. From waiting at the sea. Because when I go one day for under Mama Atalaku post, it try for imitate social media celebrities. They like people they already follow them, imitate Kobos, Ololo Pam, Asharamuta, Asharambia, imitate Roy Mama. Hello, you're welcome to my imitate many people, imitate Grand Dive. It's imitate Grand Dive. So it was say granders, not the year no. So what's your caption from that place? Because he waits them for they be na say it imitate these people there, na people they were in the follower. If you get a beef with somebody, you know follow the person up. You know his strategy, or you know his style of how he do it in them. His style no worry you. You know even touch you for no way. You know even one face. You even hate how he make his style or how he talk. You understand? So my caption for that live video being I say, that Mr. Grand Dive, he na Mama Atalaku. Them no get no fights. Una leave the thing. People they work their money, una she don't for here, una they clap una hand. God they See, I tell you something. Grandive self, he talk am say he the vlog about Mama Atalaku. Now because say Mama Atalaku, he get a good fan base. Listen, he self Grandive be don talk for some day for his channel. Say he get the type of beefing where una beef to blow. These guys, they no get beefing. Una leave that thing. They feel the beef their beef for, they feel the cut themselves for, but at the look and like say they not just get problem for behind the scene. They no get problem for behind the scene. Now my own analysis that I tell you my truth. Because if you look and find for TV Mama Atalaku, a man be proposed for ye. Grandive, he write a post on Mama Atalaku telling her congratulations. You understand? Telling her congratulations. If you no like person or the person you hate them, you no go ever want for telling congratulations. See my people. You see the two people they know, they fry their beans. Una dey light the candle. Una light the candle. Why me I talk so now? Because Grandive ina Mama Atalaku na social media celebrities them. How Grandive blow stay, he can reach up to this stage. He the blog about these celebrities them, talk about their life, private life, because people they live for year can't hear them talk. How Mama Atalaku do blow na say it the help for communicate to the people and help for fix people their problem, be it marriages, be it relationship, call it all what you want to call it, but she has been of great help as concerns the Cameroonian society, the 237 society. Yes, the same. The difference for these two people now say Mama Atalaku, he do giveaway post them because people they dey behind the giveaway, they give the money. He must post her out. May they say and say no, he don't give the people they need money. Grandive do giveaway. Where? Grandive do giveaway, but in a kind of giveaway, it be very open for aside for public. He do his own giveaway now in private. If you go ever pinch Grandive, say Grandive as a day so no, Chabu Grandive hungry to do me, or as a day for play one day, I want open some store, or I want learn some trade, it could help you. Mama Atalaku, they no get bad hearts. Ma tell na something. Person wey over the talk plenty, he over loud. You know, he just the talk. The go now anger that he move am. Man wey she don't quiet, fear that person. Yeah, see, man wey she don't quiet, when you know the talk, he pass level. Fear the person. When you as a fan, you do something, Mama Atalaku, she don't talk. That one not pass that day. It don't already pass. If you want come now again, say you don't even see yourself, you don't already talk, you don't already pass. Grandive na good, he get a good heart. Normally, when you go close to Grandive, now you know the heart way Grandive get them. Grandive gets this kind of compassionate heart. Forget about this camera. Behind the scene. I'm talking about behind the scene. How these two people operate. Behind the scene, Grandive, it feel. No mind I see the cash, you don't talk about people, they stay catch them all. If you call Grandive, cry for you, say, well, Grandive, Chabu Grandive, see me so. As I did so well, so as you don't put the camera, talk about my name, my baby, go move up. I beg, I don't want to spoil my name. My marriage is at taxi. He go move am. Forget that thing to say they have paid me money, this and that. They have not paid her any money. It is the heart that she has. Na good heart wey take am move the video. Yes. So una no overthink when they talk about Mama Talaku na this, Mama Talaku na forget Mama Talaku na good person. I never ever go corner Mama Talaku. You go corner Mama Talaku I beg. And the story una know. If you go corner Mama Talaku, you understand say Mama Talaku. Plenty people don't call me. Talk for me, say, you are a follower of Mama Talaku, this and that. I talk about, I say, see, if you know for the go listening to Mama Talaku, to moralization matter. If you know for the go day, how you don't know say that girl you talk about conversation? Now Koniman die, Koniman burial. So I beg, don't ever call me to talk about Mama Talaku that you don't like how she's doing this. Let her continue as she was doing before. I beg. Leave Mama Talaku alone. Let her enjoy with her fans. And when I leave Grand Diva beg. See any man will walk Grand Diva beg, when I put you down. Ma tell you something ma wey small example, ma wey get small skin dey so no. He always know say no. People there they get big skin, they feel intimidating. Really. Now why that Grand Diva over strong? You know start strong for outside country. It start strong from Cameroon. Strong. Let me say it's strong no. Leave am. I beg. As we go to these videos, I go to bring una house the begin to live their life for Cameroon as before they want come for past through play where they can't reach for outside country. Yeah, we go to go na small. We hurry. Yeah, we go to block different thing them, but small. I go talk about them too. You see the two people, una forget that thing. They are good people them. They no bad. So now leave them. I beg if you know what subscribe to this YouTube channel. I beg promote your sister. My sister, do not come. Hey, do not come. Hey, do not come. Munyengene nawa. Hey, then do too. I beg subscribe to my channel, please. Hey, let us go. Bye bye. See you in another. What do you think?